In recent years, young people around the world have become increasingly active in addressing climate change. Frustrated by the slow pace of government action, many have taken matters into their own hands by organizing protests, starting environmental campaigns, and demanding stronger climate policies. One of the most well-known young activists is Greta Thunberg, a Swedish teenager who began protesting alone outside the Swedish parliament in 2018. Her movement, known as Fridays for Future, has inspired millions of students to participate in climate strikes, calling attention to the urgent need for environmental reform. Thunberg and others argue that their generation will be the most affected by the consequences of global warming, and therefore, they have the right to demand change. Young people are also making a difference through innovation. Many students and young entrepreneurs are developing new technologies aimed at reducing carbon emissions or finding cleaner sources of energy. These efforts include everything from creating biodegradable materials to designing electric transportation systems. Social media has played a crucial role in spreading awareness and uniting young climate activists worldwide. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter allow them to share their messages instantly and organize global events in a matter of hours. This digital activism has helped amplify their voices and put pressure on political leaders. Despite these efforts, some critics argue that youth activism alone is not enough. They point out that real progress requires cooperation from governments, industries, and older generations. While this may be true, many young activists believe their role is to inspire action and show that change is possible. As climate change continues to threaten ecosystems and human societies, the involvement of young people remains a powerful force. Their energy, creativity, and determination offer hope for a more sustainable future.